Sing maybe 2, possibly 3. I don't think we have time for 3. But one song for sure that I'm going to teach you all how to sing along with me. So I have, you can all pretend we're, I don't know, pretend something that, I was going to say church or something like that. You can read along with me, and you can sing along with me as well. So I'm going to start off with this one song that I got. So what time am I at? 9?
I don't know.
Jody, 21 minutes. Was that? 21 minutes. 21 minutes? Okay. Okay. Okay, so here we go. Jimmy, you gotta lay out tight waiting. Got a day, got a day, got a day. Messiah, Oklahoma, Santa Clara, Andas. Jimmy, you gotta lay out tight waiting. Got a day, got a day, got a day. Messiah, Oklahoma, Santa Clara, Andas. Catogas, Oklahoma, Iggy goes to sun. Iggy goes to sun. Iggy goes to the sun. Iggy goes to the sun.